Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we are going to see how you can fix your Siri not working on any iPhone. Well, it is a quite easy process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Since Siri require internet connection, you have to make sure that. So the second thing that you have to do is go to your Siri settings, for which you can first of all open your settings app. And after opening your settings app, now scroll down. Then you can see the option of Siri right here, tap on it. And in here, you can see there is the option of talk to Siri, tap on it. And in here, make sure that you have selected Siri or Hey Siri option or only Hey Siri option. So if it is turned off like this, you can simply just tap on this option like it and then tap on continue. So now, in order to be your voice recognized by Siri, you have to say whatever the screen says, like Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, sent a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And now here you can see your Siri is ready. Just simply tap on done. And like this, you can enable these talk to Siri. So here you can also see the option of press side button for Siri and make sure to enable this since it can help you activate Siri by simply just pressing on your power button. So after you've done that, go back to the settings. And in here, you can also see the option of allow Siri when logged. You can also enable this option since it will help you navigate your Siri even if your phone is locked. And like this, you can help your Siri work on any iPhone. But if it still does not work, you can try resetting your iPhone. In order to do that, you have to go to your settings. And after going to your settings, now tap on General. And after doing so, now scroll all the way down until you see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. And then tap on Reset. And in here, tap on Reset all settings. And now enter your phone's passcode. After you've done that, now tap on reset all settings and this will now reset all of your settings and change it into default. So if all of this still does not work, you can try to restart your iPhone by simply just clicking on the power button and the volume up button both at the same time. And like this, you can restart your iPhone. So these are the steps that can help you fix Siri not working on any iPhone. And hopefully one of them works for you guys. If it does, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.